In a vibrant classroom, a group of extraordinary students with unique superpowers navigates an unusual school day when a fire breaks out in the science lab. But they must unite their abilities to combat the flames and ensure everyone's safety. With teamwork, quick thinking, and resourcefulness, the young heroes work together to extinguish the fire and save their school. Ultimately, they learn the importance of using their powers responsibly and supporting one another during challenging situations.
Settle down, heroes. Keep your powers calm and safe. Don't tell nobody. Okay? Okay. Okay. Settle down, Buster. I'm sitting down. Now, I can read your mind. I know you have 4 broken. No, you don't. You have a cake. You would be mad. I'll help you with that. Pick those papers up now. I can pick those up. I can make the lights go off and on. Turn the lights back on. I can draw a picture of a baby doll and make it come to life. Watch this. Wow. Have anybody seen Cece? Right here. I'm right here. It's hot in here. I can cool it down. Oh. It's cold in here. I need some cold. Like a fire, we need to get out of here. I can see it. That lab is on fire. We need to put the fire out. Everyone, let's use our powers for good. I can move the fire extinguisher with my telekinesis. I can start teleporting people outside safely. Stay right here. I'll be back to get some more. I'll make sure the fire doesn't spread. I can draw buckets of water so we can put the fire out. That's a great idea, Life. Let me clear the snow so we can breathe.
Here's the best part about this. In the end, nobody was injured. George tells me that the kids love it.
Let's use our powers without the fire. I agree, but can we have pancake first? Yeah. Wait a minute. How did the fire start?
What's up, man? I got snacks for y'all today.
Excuse me. Can we do the movie? Can we do the movie we were doing the other day? I'm a baby.
I'm gonna show you. You're in the movie. Yep. I finished it.
I'm in the movie.
You're in the movie too.
Super fast to school. Okay. I'm not. I know after
Did y'all like it? Oh, did y'all like it?
All
right.
Can we do it again?
You wanna watch it again?
Yeah!
So y'all gonna be in the movie theater. Y'all be in the movie theater, right?
Yeah!
All right. The scenes, y'all. This is the crew. All right. They doing their thing. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah!
All right. Slow motion, y'all. You fast. 3, 2, 1, action. Y'all slow motion.
Settle down, Plastic. Sit down.
Look at her and see what she's supposed to say.
Settle down, Plastic. Sit down.
All right, hold up. All right. Let's record. You got him? Can you see me? Make sure you can't see me.
I can't.
You can't see me? Yeah, you
I
stand up.
can't. I can't see you.
You can't? All right, good. All right. You can see him, right?
Yes.
All right. What you gonna do? You gonna say, see, you made me mad. Act like you lifting it with your mind. You like this. You like that. All right. See, you made me mad. All right, go ahead.
You made me mad.
Not yet. 3, 2, 1, action.
You make me mad. You make me mad. I can pick those up. Those up. No, you have to.
Good job. Very good job. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, and action.
I will read your mind. No, you have a rat. No, you don't. You have pancake.
Why ain't you looking at the camera? Yeah, you're looking at the camera. Look at him. All right, go one more time. Y'all did good. But looking at.
I will read your mind. I know you have for broke. No, you don't. You have pancake.
Don't look at me. Don't ever look at the camera person. Y'all remember that?
Yes.
All right. Keep stuff right there. Make the lights go off and on.
What?
And you gonna make the lights. You gonna do like this, okay? And be real dramatic. Do the.
I can make the lights go off and on.
Good job. I got it. All right.
Okay, put my paper back on.
All right. 2, 1, and action.
I'm right here. Me too? No, not you.
And action. You got it. Look at you. All right. Look at you flying. Say, wow, that's amazing, life.
Wow, that's amazing life.
Hold on, not yet. 3, 2, 1, and action. Now say it.
Wow, that's amazing life.
Yup.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I can cool it down.
One more time.
It's hot in here. I can cool it down. I can cool it down.
Be quiet. You don't supposed to say nothing.
Everybody, let's use our powers for good.
3, 2, 1, action.
I can lift the fire extinguisher with my telekinesis.
All right, do it again. One more time.
Telekinesis?
Yep, you said it right. 3, 2, 1, and action.
I can move the fire extinguisher with my telekinesis. I can move the fire extinguisher with my telekinesis.